fundraising that we have come to. This church has taken quite a long time to construct. Yairenga sana construct kanisa. Naende toroni abantu batache tiamo tochake kubwaterana kanisa ile yocha iwekere twarangerete gutuka yo chikadi na fadhanya kundi kera twarangerete na chana anga krete personally come tororenga kito kubwaterana tororenga kanisa ye mbanya sai as long as twendete gochakaiga I think una twachakire rero step twachakire kuira kurudero nabeko era bwa but rende issues chira nechinyinge school mne igonga boys zero secondary school perform very well and then perform there one ndikiaba ya very attractive yende kiko musabantu abana bachakire gocha bange kai bare turu abange sana school ite bati facilities chisa akerichi facilities taisa ini nende ngoretere pressure saba nafunzi ngoretere pressure saba harifu nende oranyore that will affect performance in future nare ngotaka waziri akore yandeke mo aveke a lot of money at least oros chidom to increase dining chinyomba chobo sa classes na other facilities this school na yabonko ba promise lero it will improve. Last time to achita na to encourage students and more chino ba perform yabono it has become a very attractive school nero to chetorore usinga kiocho. Another issue when bonchari bono ntobati a lot of issues chire pending which are kinegitikian ekire to arengo chaka ke campaign one of the things to arengo te bya bantu mono to arengo te bya bantu ngaki ke kende gechekero asibu gechekebe kenene gechekebe international for the purpose of attract tourism na business isigi kama wochaka kama nzibakongusana na all sides ikaba confirm tungekitie kingelo cha koba expanded in fact right now ogenda okende ngiyo kenda nga kito cha ku address this promise to etaba the alternative yokobeke nini yokobeke airport eliki twachakire okwana mangana housing igiti kungi saine housing echere ko affordable ninyare kubekwa ari bagatwenda kuri places which town yari and all that bonchari take benefit because we have lost if the government is taking with one hand by toraneri with another hand at least rende torregen tonkenda but then ekirito anigo campaign ngakitwa chagete to atebetia bantu mangana a bottoms up karabonega abantu bachandege ipa safari chi benefit chiwa ngo twarengo tebya abantu na bottoms up ngocha gochere ngocha gotwara tore chichira abantu pesa mfukoni bintu bine bibyo anzi boda boda bagende bechiro they are still in the same position or worse mani chekere ngocha gaiga ngongora soka ke mama bultwara sebya chari twarengo tebya abantu bonchane chele Ono ningira nente vya bantu na nende bottoms up. We need to start convincing them again. Ingitoka chako. I expect a representative cha water next. That is one of the things I want to address. Mangane airport, mangane gasi, mangane taxes, affordable housing, those are things to bandete konyora. Bonchane what the problems apart from na kwande school. School nchira rimna nyangoge. Nyangoge ncha yete dom. Nonyabono iga until now edome intanya koros abana bali barengo school ibarenkorara nga ibakorara bono some of them are sleeping 3 or 4 of them in a bed abande bakorara on the floor chi mattress nto agorete chiki wisa Bonchari we need to stand up Bonchari we need to what na batebeti ba abantu ngaki bwato goto turiyo borayubia one nechinse ato batile. So what do we need to do? We need to rethink our position. Where do we go next? Because Toko can 2 years down the line, I think we not have any hope. Hope starts secret achakire kuikaranza abarai bonsi bachamo tuikaranze the political differences chira agenda ensemo, then we see mwananchi how does he benefit. That is what county politics. County politics is through chirende chise inchikaro, but asichi achakirete asichi chakwera yantebe. It is not good for business. These fights, business area and business as usual pay your one. All these politicians, let them take a step back once and rethink that violence and fights and coups are not necessary right now. Right now, development is much more necessary. Thank you.